Ready to launch your business? Getting your employer identification number is a must. It's your ticket to handling taxes and hiring employees. In just a few simple steps, you can get it hassle-free. Let's walk through the process together. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to get your employer identification number. So the first step that we have to do is just open your browser and dive into IRS, and you click over the first website appear on your browser after researching through IRS. So this is it, how it looks to the homepage. So employer identification number EIN is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the Internal Revenue Service IRS to businesses for tax purposes. It is used to identify a business entity and is required for various activities such as filing taxes, opening a bank account, and applying for business licenses. So all I have to do right now is just go to the file and you click over business and self-employed. Once you click over this one, you will find this page. As you can see, tax information for businesses. Here we have tax informations, tools and resources for business and self-employed. So you have just to select the one you want. For example, if you want employee ID number, and this is what we can do for this video, and we have also employment tax, estimated tax, find account, tax compliance act, FATCA. So I'll click over the first one and we'll find this page. As you can see, also we have here other options, like here we have prepare your taxes, file or pay your taxes, run your business, and we have business types as well. So once you do that, you will find other page, which is this one, employer ID numbers. So an employer identification number EIN is also known as a federal tax identification number and is used to identify a business entity. Generally, businesses need an EIN. You may apply for an EIN in various ways, and now you may apply online. This is a free service offered by the Internal Revenue Service and you can get your EIN immediately. You must check with your state to make sure you need a state number or charter. So this is it. Right now you have just to click over apply for EIN online. Also, if you want to know more information about EIN, here we have what to do if you are assigned an EIN you did in our request. Alright, also we have other things. You can just click over the one you want and you will find other page explain these things. Then you click over apply for an EIN online and you will find a page, which is this one, apply for an employer identification number EIN online. So this is, we have the steps that we have to follow. The first step, we have determined your eligibility. So you may apply for an EIN online if your principal business is located in the United States or US territories. Then we have the person applying online must have a valid taxpayer identification number, such as here we have SSN, ITIN, or EIN. So this is the one that we can do. Alright, here we have it. Then we have here are limited to one EIN per responsible party per day. Alright, then the second step, we have understand the online application. You must complete this application in one session, as you will not be able to save and return at a later time. Your session will expire after 15 minutes of inactivity and you will need to start over. The last step, which is submit your application. After all validation are done, you will get your EIN immediately upon completion. You can then download, save and print your EIN confirmation notice. So you have just to click over apply online now and I will show you step by step how you can do that. So once you click over apply online now, you will find here EIN assistant. Alright, here we have what type of legal structure is applying for an EIN. Before applying for an EIN, you should have already determined what type of legal structure, businesses or type of organization is being established. So we have just to choose the type of you are applying for. If you don't see your type, select a few additional types. For example, select sole proprietor, partnerships, corporations, then we have limited liability company, LLC, and we have estate, trusts, and last one, which is few additional types including tax exempt and governmental organizations. So let's choose this one and then you will find here other page. You have chosen sole proprietor. Sole proprietor includes individuals who are in business for themselves or household employees. So by the way, this is what is sole proprietor. So here we have sole proprietor. and household employer. So you have just to choose to what you want, then you click over continue and you'll find other page, which is this one. So I've just so confirm your selection. Confirm your selection of sole proprietor as the type of structure applying for an EIN. So here we have what is it, and here we have some important notes. You have just to read this information, then you click over continue and you will find this page. Here we have what is the sole proprietor question an EIN. So you have just to choose what reason that best describes why you are applying for an EIN. So if you are started a new business, select it for if you are beginning a new business. Hired employees, select it if you already have business and need to hire employees. Then you have banking purposes, select this option if the reason for applying for the EIN is strictly to satisfy banking requirements or local law. Then we have here change to type of organization as well. You have just select this one if you are changing to type of organization you currently operate, such as changing from a sole proprietor to a partnership. Then we have a purchased active business. Select this option if you are purchasing a business that is already in operation. So if you go to continue and you will find this page. So this is of authenticate. So I forgot to mention that. So here we have 5 steps. The first one, identify and authenticate. Then we have addresses, details, EIN confirmation. About addresses and details and EIN confirmation, you have just a link information like that, like your personal email address, your phone number, your zip code, and other information about addresses. And we have your details, then EIN confirmation, and then you get your EIN. So here we have please tell EIN assistant about the sole proprietor. You have to write your first name, your middle name, so it's not important. The thing that is important is your first name and your last name. Here we have this one, and we have here the suffix also. Then we have SSN or ITIN, so we have just waited. And so here we have the last name, and you select this one. Then you have to choose here if you are the sole proprietor or you are a third party applying for an EIN on behalf of the sole proprietor. So before continuing, please review the information above for typographical errors. So you click over it, continue, and you will find addresses. I'll just link it and then you get your EIN. So this is how you can get started. So an employer identification number EIN is essential for businesses operating in the United States, serving as a vital identifier for tax reporting and compliance. Obtaining an EIN is a key step for business owners, facilitating various financial and legal processes. So this is how it works with EIN and how you can get started and we get your EIN employee ID number. So here we have it. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. See you again in next video. Have a fantastic day ahead.